What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in our video, and today we're looking at the DJI Remote V2, the version 2 here for FPV. And as you can see, the default has the little rocker here, and it always comes in the middle. And sometimes you don't want that, especially for the FPV driver flyers out there. You want this kind of lower rate here so that it's not always throttling. So you want to keep it down below like this. And today we're going to show you how to fix that. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these controllers. I'll link this down below as well. Pretty much you're going to put your controller back here. You're going to peel this part right here. As you can see, it has this arrow, so you're just going to take your nails in there and just peel it off like so. And there are two screws right here, F1 and F2. You're just gonna tighten them up. Now the tool that we're gonna use today, if you want to get one of these tools as well, really good for fixing your iPhones, little electronics like this. It has a little handle like this, so you can put the right tool in there. The size of that is the H1.5. As you can see there, H1.5. That's the one you want. Again, we're just gonna go to the F1 and F2 here and tighten them up until it doesn't rock anymore. There you go. Still does, so let's do the F2 now. Again, you're gonna tighten it clockwise here. Still does. Let's go more on the F1. There you go. A bit more on the F2 here. Has left a little bit more. Let's keep going there. There it is. A little bit too much there because it's too tight now. Let's loosen it a bit. There it is. Just a little bit more because it still wants to rock back. As you can see there. And there it is. Now it's loose and it's gonna stay down if you want it to. Let's do a little bit more here so it actually does stay down. And there you go. Pretty good. Now that way, if you're starting a race or starting your FPV drone, then it won't kick back right in the middle, which is really good. And there it is. Pretty easy, everyone, and I think everyone be able to use this. A pretty easy thing to do. And then once you're done, just push this back and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on how to fix the left throttle on the DJI Remote 2 FPV controller. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.